Alright, today we're working with a 2022 Honda HR-V. We're working with our new product, the WiLinq here. This will allow you to do wireless Android Auto in vehicles that only support wired Android Auto. And we'll go ahead and show you how to set that up. Alright, so the first step before we get the WiLinq connected is going to be connecting our phone to the factory radio. This way we can accept all the prompts that we need to and get everything fully set up. So the first step here will be transfer files / Android Auto, and then it'll depend on what vehicle you have, but you might have some prompts on the actual radio that you need to accept. This one wants us to connect to Bluetooth, so we're accepting that, and then we should get one more pop-up on the radio. Alright, so now that we've got wired connected, we can go ahead and move on to connecting the WiLinq. Alright, so now that we've got everything set up for the wired Android Auto, we'll go ahead and connect the WiLinq. And we'll be using the same cable for that that's plugged into the factory USB. And we're just plugging into the Type-C on the WiLinq. Perfect, so we got one green blink, which means that it is on. And we can go ahead and pair to it. We'll start looking for a WiLinq on here. There we go, and now that it's been connected to the WiLinq, it should, yep, it's already flipping over. And now we've got our wireless Android Auto running. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and show how fast it connects. So we've got the whole vehicle off right now, and we'll go ahead and turn it on. And as you can see, pretty much by the time the radio had started up, we've already made the connection. And we've got our wireless Android Auto. Alright, so just to go over the WiLinq here, we do have two connections on it. There's a Type-C on this side and a normal USB-A over here. The Type-C will be connected to the radio itself. So using a simple cable like this here, you connect the Type-C here, and this part will be going into the radio itself. And this side over here is meant for charging. If you do need to charge while you're connected to the wireless, you can simply plug in a cable down here and then plug this end into the phone. That'll allow you to charge while keeping this connected for the wireless.